Greetings each and every one. This is Raz Levy. Today, we're diving deep into the story of one of the most iconic and revolutionary bands in roots reggae culture. If you've ever felt the power of their lyrics, the soul of their rhythms, or the truth in their message, you already know why their music resonates across generations. But who was Joseph Hill, the prophet behind the music, and how did culture help shape reggae's revolutionary sound? Whether you're a longtime fan or discovering culture for the first time, this is the perfect place to explore reggae's rich legacy. So, if you're ready to feel the vibes and connect with the roots of this incredible music, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Reggae Vault family. Let's dive in. Joseph Constantine Hill, known as the Keeper of Zion Gate, was born in 1949 in the parish of St. Catherine, Jamaica. Raised in a Christian household, his early life was deeply rooted in spirituality. However, it was the Rastafari movement that profoundly reshaped his philosophy and inspired his music. Hill's musical journey started early. As a child, he crafted a homemade drum, sparking his lifelong love for music. By the late 1960s, he entered Jamaica's vibrant music scene as a sound system DJ. Soon he joined the Soul Defenders as a percussionist, a group based in Linstead that worked with legends like Nana McLean and Vincent Morgan. At Cox's Own Dodd's legendary Studio One, Joseph Hill made his first recordings, both as a musician and percussionist. The Soul Defenders backed stars like Burning Spear and Dennis Brown, giving Hill a taste of the big stage and preparing him for the revolutionary music he would soon create. But Joseph Hill didn't walk this path alone. Together with his cousin Albert Walker and Kenneth Days, he formed a group initially called the African Disciples. Their mission was clear: to address the struggles of the oppressed, challenge social inequalities, and spread the teachings of Rastafari. Soon they became known as Culture, a name that would resonate across the world. Culture's breakthrough came in 1977 with the release of 2-7's Clash, inspired by Marcus Garvey's prophecy predicting chaos when the Sevens would meet on July 7, 1977. Hill turned this warning into an anthem of social and spiritual awakening. The album urged people to prepare for upheaval, arriving at a time when Jamaica was embroiled in political violence. 2-7's Clash became more than an album. It was a rallying cry for unity and consciousness. It resonated not just in Jamaica, but globally, establishing culture as the voice of the oppressed. It became a big seller in the UK. 2-7's Clash proved to be a commercial success in the United Kingdom, gaining popularity among both punk rock and reggae fans. The album reached number 60 on the UK Albums Chart in April 1978, thanks in part to the support of John Peel on his BBC Radio 1 show. Following this, Virgin Records signed the group to its Frontline label, where they released albums such as Harder Than the Rest, 1978, and International Herb, 1979. Culture also produced records under other labels in Jamaica, including a dub version of Harder Than the Rest called Culture in Dub, 1978, and a different recordings album titled Africa Stand Alone, April 1978. In 1981, the three singers went their separate ways. Hill continued to use the name Culture and released the Lion Rock album, later reissued in the United States by Heartbeat Records. Hill and his new band performed a session for longtime supporter John Peel in December 1982, followed by additional studio sessions in 1998 and 2002. Walker and Days also recorded a few songs on their own, some of which were included in an album named Roots and Culture. Hill performed at the Reggae Sunsplash Festival in 1985 and reunited with the original lineup in 1986 to record two well-received albums, Culture in Culture and Culture at Work. Kenneth Days departed from the group in 1994 While the reasons for his departure remained somewhat unclear, such shifts were not uncommon in the challenging and demanding world of reggae music. He was replaced by Reginald Taylor. Days pursued a solo career under the name Kenneth Culture. By 2001, Telford Nelson had replaced Taylor. Culture continued his prophetic mission by being the voice for the oppressed. In 1960 and 70, the government's treatment of Rastafarians was unjust, and Culture's music captured the struggles and aspirations of the marginalized. Culture's powerful song, Blood in a Babylon, originally recorded in the late 1970s during their work with producer Sonia Pottinger, which remained unreleased until 1993 on the Trod On album. These chilling lyrics were a fearless indictment of the system's violence against Rastas. The song painted a vivid picture of blood, fire, and rebellion. Its raw truth was so impactful that Jamaican authorities banned it, fearing its influence. But the ban only fueled its legacy, transforming it into an underground anthem of defiance. Culture's music wasn't just about the struggles. It was about resilience, hope, and the strength of Rastafari. Joseph Hill's powerful voice, combined with the group's talent, became a beacon of resistance. Culture produced many even decades later. Their songs continue to inspire and empower. Joseph Hills continued touring the world with the Forces of Justice, a Washington, D.C.-based band. Hill's journey as the keeper of Zion Gate ended in 2006 when he passed away while on tour in Berlin, Germany. Although rumors spread that he died on stage, his son Kenyatta Hill later clarified that Joseph Hill passed away peacefully in his sleep. Kenyatta has since taken up his father's mantle, continuing Culture's legacy for a new generation. So, Reggae family, what's your thoughts? Favorite Culture track? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're new to Reggae Vault, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Until next time, this is Raz Levy. Let's keep the fire burning. One love.